Good morning, internet world, and welcome back to our channel. We are starting off the new year right.
Yeah, with an adventure, that's for sure.
Yeah. We are on our way to Kalama Falls, one of our favorite hikes near close to us. And yeah, there's a little bit of road blockage, windstorms.
Major trees came down.
We have had some major storms coming through the PNW lately.
Yeah, there's probably like 10 trees across the road in 2 different places, and even though we brought our chainsaw, these trees are just way too big for us to like even try to move. Yeah. So we are walking around and praying that no trees come down on our car when it's parked on the side of the road.
Yeah, and yeah, we're about half a mile from the trailhead, so nothing too bad. Just adds another mile to our trek.
It'll be easy.
To Kalama Falls. Awesome.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Let's do this.
Yeah. He was walking right up the road and then he went that way. We have made it to the trailhead and we just saw a little baby coyote.
Hey, look it.
Dangus! Happy New Year, Dangus! First we saw one over there and then we turned a corner, saw one coming right up this road, and then he bolted that way. Wow, that even scared me. What was that?
I got my finger on the trigger, ready to blast.
Race is on. Wildlife.
High alert.
Saw a coyote. Saw some big tracks from a kitty or a bear. We're ready.
Got the gun loaded.
Actually, I strapped that baby on. We're out here all alone, so.
There's nobody else.
And in January.
Man, I guess this is the way to kick off 2023, right?
Oh. Overpowering the obstacles.
Beautiful.
made it to Kalama Falls, baby.
Yay.
Woo.
Water is raging.
Yeah. You know what time it is?
Dingus time.
Gotta come see a friend.
He's gone.
Dingus?
He's missing.
He's gone.
We found a dingus. Another one.
So what?
It's a T-Rex dingus. Somebody stole dingus. It's okay.
Maybe they put them at the front gate.
Maybe. There's two
Probably.
other ones.
Anyways, we are done here at Kalama Falls and gonna trek back through the snow.
Back to the car and to go get some beers.
Beers! Hooray! Beers!
Cheers to beers.
This.
Well, that is it from Kalama Falls. We did about 5.3 miles. We had a little bit extra because of the roadblock and did about 400 feet in elevation. Beautiful as always. The river is just flowing hard.
Beautiful, nice blue color, tons of energy, amazing green. Love this.
Yeah, and hopefully next time we come up here, there will be no trees blocking our path, and
Get
we'll
some
be able
camping
to
in.
do some camping.
Yeah, that baby needs to get out and do some camping.
Yep.
So.
Well, thank you for joining us on this edition of our P&W Adventures, and we'll see you on the next video.
Peace out.
Deuces.
Bye.
Bye. Wow. That sucks.
Like they attempted, they got those.
Yeah, those two.
Those two right there, but that's it.
Oh my gosh.
Mock, yeah. Ing, yeah.
Pee.
Bird, yeah. Bye. That's all, folks. From
Bears.
Bears here. Bears here. Hello.
No bears. Bears.
No bears. Just bears.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
No gigantic windstorms. No. Oh God, did you hear that?
Oh, it's getting deep. Might have to put on the micro spikes. Oh shit.